Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for Simply Earth. This is their essential oil recipe box. This is a monthly subscription. I've done a couple on my channel before. They're super awesome. So right on top we have these nice colorful labels, so when you get done making your products you can label them so you can remember what they're for. And then you get recipes for full-size essential oils and then stuff that you will need to make the recipes. So very simple. The first one we have is Himalayan salt candles. And then there's just more information on the back about summer projects, upcoming boxes, all sorts of stuff. Himalayan detox bath soak. Himalayan pink salt scrub. Ooh, with frankincense. I'm definitely going to make that. Citrus fresh face wash. And as you can see, very easy to make, very simple. Just a few ingredients and steps. This one is a diffuser blend. I think some of my favorite diffuser blends I've gotten for them were the Halloween ones for the October box. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. And this one is Fine Lines Be Gone. That is definitely what I could use on my face. Gently roll into face to keep skin smooth and young. Cool. So let's take a look at the essential oils. This one is fennel. This one is orange. Then we have frankincense. I like that one. And hoe wood. I've actually never smelled that before. I'm going to open that and see what that smells like. Yeah, that's interesting. Let's see what it says on it. Plant parts. Woody and floral. Yep, I would say that's pretty accurate. Then we also have a candle for that one recipe. We have some Himalayan pink salt. I use this stuff for cooking. It's supposed to be healthier for you. That is it. It's empty under here. In past boxes I've gotten like rollers and little glass containers to put the stuff in. So usually you have those, but I have a ton because I got a big bonus box a while back that included tons of containers and rollers and all that stuff. So that is what I got. If you guys would like to sign up, I do have a link below. It's pretty cool and it's a good deal because you get 4 of these a month, which are full size. And of course it's fun to make new stuff and try new things. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.